Work slows down when your space is too far from the job or when it leaves your team exposed to the elements. The WillScot Quick-Connect Canopy delivers protected space fast, right where the work happens. Designed to connect seamlessly to storage containers and mobile offices, keeping your team, tools, and materials close, covered, and ready. Out of the rain, out of the sun, out of the snow. Built for demanding job sites, it creates versatile space for storage, staging, and hands-on work like servicing, assembly, or fabrication. At 17 feet high, 20 feet wide, and 20 feet in length, it delivers ample space. And when the job demands more, expand it end to end for an even larger work or vehicle bay. More protection, less downtime, everything within reach. WillScot Quick-Connect Canopy. Stay close, stay covered, right from the start.